sneezing? Are you sneezing? So I came to check on my birds because one of the hens died today. And it looked like she was trying to lay an egg and... Ow! Turkey's just baby, sorry. And then I noticed that this chicken over here, because I don't want another chicken to die, it looks like sneezing? I don't know. But my chickens are fat. My goodness. These turkeys see my fingers and they think it's something to eat. Look at this one. It's like it's bloating. Look at that. Okay, something's going on with my chickens. This ain't right. Oh, moving. She's walking. Is something wrong with you? You look bloated. Are you bloated? Like compared to this one. Like look at the neck, nice and tall. This one, oh, so fat. I think we should chop you up and cook you. Hey? So fat.